Hello, my name is Haley LaRue, and I'm a wealth management advisor at Boulay. In this video, I will discuss several factors that should be considered when it comes to Social Security, including different strategic timing factors and planning integration methods for making benefits work with a variety of financial situations. One of the most frequently asked questions when it comes to Social Security is the specific strategy of timing and when to claim a benefit. There's a set age that each individual has called full retirement age when the Social Security Administration has deemed that someone can receive their full benefit. This full retirement age is based on the year an individual was born and ranges from age 66 to age 67. However, you can claim benefits anywhere from as early as age 62 to as late as age 70. When individuals claim early, from ages 62 up to full retirement age, their Social Security full retirement age benefit is reduced by about 6.67% per year claimed early up to 36 months, which is a total reduction of 20%. If the number of months claimed early exceeds 36, then the benefit is further reduced by 5% per year. If an individual's full retirement age is 67 and they claim at 62, they will have a reduction in benefits of 30%. If someone is thinking about claiming Social Security before their full retirement age, it's important to consider income earned during the calendar year. For example, in 2021, any income earned above $18,960 will result in a clawback of $1 for every $2 earned. This is why we typically encourage our clients to consider waiting to claim benefits until they at the very least have stopped significantly working or have reached full retirement age, as full retirement age benefits are not subject to this clawback of benefits. On the flip side, each month a person delays claiming past their full retirement age, they will receive a bump up in their benefits. This leads to an increase in full retirement age benefits of 8% for each full year claiming is delayed to age 70. A major factor to consider when it comes to choosing your appropriate Social Security strategy is liquidity. You must have the financial means to bridge the gap between wages and Social Security benefits. It's important to have the bucket of right kind of dollars in order to take advantage of some of the delaying strategies. And this bucket includes dollars in cash, checking, savings, money market, and taxable brokerage accounts. When it comes time to start considering which Social Security strategy is best, it's important to remember that each claiming decision does not come in a one-size-fits-all box. Life situations and circumstances vary, and there are several things to consider when it comes to integrating a financial plan with Social Security benefit strategies. For example, Social Security can act as a sort of life insurance policy, wherein the surviving spouse jumps into the higher benefit upon their spouse's passing. This can be extremely beneficial, especially if surviving spouse is younger or has significantly lower benefits than their deceased spouse. It's important to point out that if the lower earning spouse has less than half the full retirement age benefit of the higher earning spouse, that lower earning spouse should be able to receive half of their higher earning spouse's full retirement age benefit. There's also the issue of considering life expectancy within claiming decisions. Break even for comparing different Social Security strategies is typically not until early 80s, so life expectancy does play a factor. If an individual or their spouse has longevity in the family, a varying claiming strategy that does not break even until 83 could still be a win for them because they believe the chances of them living past that point are fairly strong. An individual's current and projected financial situation plays the largest role in determining when to claim. There are a variety of different financial planning strategies that could be implemented that impact when a person or couple should consider claiming their Social Security benefits. For example, are they trying to keep income low to qualify for premium tax credit through Obamacare? Does it make sense to delay other income in order to move pre-tax dollars to forever tax-free dollars with Roth conversions? Will they qualify for tax-free Social Security down the road and avoid the Social Security tax torpedo? Some goals are not even centered on an individual's plan success, but on plan succession instead. For example, creating a legacy to ensure a spouse or children are taken care of financially in the event of death. These are just some of the many considerations where a specific person or couple's financial situation could prompt looking further into different Social Security claiming strategies. In conclusion, taking advantage of different claiming strategies when it comes to Social Security benefits works in concert with multiple other planning opportunities. Each person's financial situation is different, so a strategy that works for one may not work for another. However, in understanding how Social Security strategies combined with other planning opportunities can play such an important role in maximizing wealth, it is certainly not something to ignore. Working with a financial advisor to determine the multitude of strategies that could work together best for your situation can be extremely beneficial for you and your goals in the long run. If you have any questions on how to best develop your Social Security strategy or would like a more in-depth look at creating a financial plan that fits your goals, please reach out to your Boulay advisor or contact us at learnmore@boulaygroup.com.